Welcome to Like Health. Have you ever wondered what a simple green herb could do for your health? Parsley isn't just a garnish on your plate. It's a hidden treasure packed with nutrients and powerful healing properties. From cleansing your kidneys to boosting your immunity, this humble plant has so much more to offer than most people realize. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the incredible benefits of eating parsley every day, and why you might want to make it a daily habit. Whether you sprinkle it on your meals or brew it as tea, parsley can transform your well-being in surprising ways. Stay with me until the end so you don't miss any of these life-changing benefits. And if you enjoy this video, please tap the like button, explore the other health videos on the channel, and subscribe if you'd love to see more content that helps you feel your best. Benefit number 1. Cleanses your kidneys naturally. Parsley acts like a gentle broom for your kidneys, sweeping away toxins and excess fluids. Its natural diuretic properties help flush out waste and keep your urinary tract healthy. If you often feel bloated or struggle with water retention, parsley can be your best friend. Rich in antioxidants, it also protects your kidneys from damage and inflammation over time. Many people drink parsley tea to support their kidneys and feel lighter and more energized. Adding just a handful of fresh parsley to your meals can make a big difference. It's one of the simplest ways to care for your kidneys without expensive supplements. Give your body the cleansing boost it deserves with this amazing green herb. Benefit number 2. Strengthens your immune system. Parsley is packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient that keeps your immune system strong. Just a small serving can help your body fight off infections and recover faster when you're sick. It also contains powerful plant compounds that reduce inflammation and support healing. If you often catch colds or feel run down, adding parsley to your diet is a smart choice. Its antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and slow down the effects of aging. Some studies suggest that parsley's nutrients even help prevent certain chronic diseases. Imagine a natural, delicious way to build your defenses every single day. With parsley on your side, your body is ready to face anything that comes its way. Benefit number 3. Supports healthy digestion. If you often feel heavy or uncomfortable after meals, parsley can be a gentle remedy. It helps stimulate digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food. Parsley also reduces bloating and gas, so you can feel lighter and more at ease. Its natural fiber supports healthy gut bacteria and regular bowel movements. Many people sip parsley tea or chew fresh leaves after eating to soothe their stomachs. This simple habit can make a big difference in how you feel every day. No more sluggish afternoons or digestive discomfort weighing you down. With parsley, your digestion can work smoothly and comfortably, just the way it should. Benefit number 4. It naturally freshens your breath. Bad breath can be embarrassing, but parsley offers a refreshing natural solution. It's rich in chlorophyll, a plant compound known for its ability to neutralize odors in the mouth. Chewing a few sprigs of parsley after meals can instantly freshen your breath. Unlike sweet mint, parsley doesn't just mask bad odors, it eliminates them completely. It also helps reduce bacteria in the mouth that cause unpleasant smells. Its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties support overall oral hygiene. Regularly including parsley in your diet can lead to longer-lasting fresh breath throughout the day. Benefit number 5. Protects your heart health. Parsley is more than just a garnish, it's a heart-loving powerhouse. It contains folate, a B vitamin that helps lower levels of homocysteine, a compound linked to heart disease. Its antioxidants, like flavonoids and vitamin C, protect your arteries from damage over time. Eating parsley regularly can help maintain healthy blood pressure and circulation. Some research shows it may even reduce your risk of stroke and heart attacks. Just a handful sprinkled on your meals can nourish your cardiovascular system naturally. Think of it as a small step with a big impact on your long-term heart health. Your heart works hard for you every day. Parsley helps you take care of it in return. Benefit number 6. Strengthens your bones. Did you know parsley is rich in vitamin K, an essential nutrient for strong bones? Vitamin K helps your body use calcium effectively, keeping your bones dense and healthy. If you want to prevent fractures and osteoporosis as you age, this little herb can help. Just a few tablespoons of chopped parsley provide more vitamin K than most vegetables. It also delivers calcium and magnesium, two minerals your bones absolutely need. Adding parsley to soups, salads, and smoothies is an easy way to protect your skeleton. Imagine feeling confident that you're giving your bones the support they deserve. With parsley on your plate, you're building strength from the inside out. Benefit number 7. Helps balance blood sugar levels. If you're concerned about high blood sugar, parsley might become your new ally. It contains special compounds that can help your body process sugar more efficiently. Studies have shown that parsley extract supports healthy insulin function. Adding it to your diet could help keep your energy steady throughout the day. This means fewer sudden crashes or sugar cravings that leave you feeling drained. It's a simple, natural way to support balanced blood sugar without relying only on medication. Whether you sprinkle it on salads or blend it into smoothies, every little bit counts. Your body will thank you for nourishing it with something so fresh and wholesome. Benefit number 8. Supports healthy skin and hair. Parsley isn't just good for your insides, it also helps you look your best on the outside. It's loaded with vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen for smooth, firm skin. The antioxidants in parsley help fight free radicals that cause wrinkles and dullness. Its vitamin A content supports cell renewal, giving your skin a natural glow. Many people also notice stronger, shinier hair when they eat parsley regularly. You can even use parsley-infused water as a gentle rinse to nourish your scalp. Imagine the confidence boost of feeling radiant and refreshed every day. With parsley, beauty really does start from within. You might be wondering, can something as simple as parsley really make a difference in my health? It's just a small herb, right? But sometimes, the smallest things hold the biggest power. What if that handful of green leaves you've overlooked could help you sleep better, feel lighter, and glow from within? What if the answer to your fatigue, digestion issues, or dull skin has been sitting in your kitchen all along? In a world full of pills and quick fixes, nature still offers real solutions, quietly and consistently. And parsley is one of those gifts, humble, healing, and ready to serve your body every day. So don't underestimate it, give it a chance, and let your body tell you the rest. Sometimes, real change begins with something as simple as what you put on your plate. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new